Okay, YouTube today. I'll be taking the rear shocks off. It gotta be quicker than that. And replacing them with new ones. Just got back from California. I'm liking Atlanta so far. It's been good weather since I've been here. It ain't too bad. Shit, we took a hit a couple days ago at US 19, and it's time for some servicing. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm about to be quicker than that. Y'all leave in the comments what new shocks we should get.
Like I said, man.
And what's the baddest small block in Atlanta? Y'all leave in the comment, and we'll be the judgment of that. Cause I feel like we the baddest in Atlanta, Georgia. Period. On motor. So y'all just enjoy this little video of us taking off these shocks.
Yes, sir.
A lot of people be using power tools. I still use little shit like them. I like to feel what I'm doing. Fuck that. But yeah. Every time I work on this car, the shit I be thinking about is one band, one sound. One band, one sound. That's all. Every time I work on this damn car, that shit be playing in my head. All the time.
One band, one sound.
One band, one sound. That's a hell yeah.
Got to get the work done. Got to get some.
Gotta get done. Man, y'all tell me what y'all want to see more of as well. Cause I don't be really knowing what to be posting. I just be posting the car making hits and races and stuff like that. But I know there's people out there that want to see different stuff. So y'all let me know what y'all be wanting to see. Comment, like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. I ain't no YouTuber, but I'm trying to be. Shit. I'm trying to be. That bitch on. Getting better shit. Yeah. Getting that bitch on. Getting this bitch on. I'm gonna get all type of better shit. Yeah. We'll ride all the boats up all the time. Now it's time to get it on up out of there. Oh. I'm going ahead and get that thing up out of there. Bitch on. Getting that bitch on. Hard work's always pays off. That is small, but I enjoy it. Like I always tell y'all. I always work hard for what y'all want.
Watch that rust right there.
Where?
That's why I was leaning in.
What?
This shit right here. It's rust right there. I was laying in that shit, and then I looked up and what the fuck?
Oh, yeah, some more. So I got this. I might just you try. Oh, get it. What you trying to get? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You can't see it. Oh, you got it. I think I drew it out. That's you see it. All right, so look that. Yeah, keep going. Let's put it down. That's just a fall straight down. You know? Oh, shit. I'm gonna drop something. Well, hold on. I'll do this one. I'll put it back in the shit. What I like that. The whole thing out. You got each one out. You got pressure on the screen. Go down here. Right. Move your hand. Got this one. Each one. Yeah, each one. Just down there. You back up. Nice. You just have a little. No, you top now. Why you start top now? You good? Yeah. Shit. If I see something good, I'm gonna drop that. You take it off? Yeah. It's not good to them. Okay.